Hello, it's Nicholas from Affiliate Marketing Info channel. This the new product will be launched on September 15, 11 a.m. Eastern Time. It's called as Undisputed Video. What is all about the Undisputed audio video? Let's take a look at the sales page. If you are sick and tired of paying hundreds of dollars every month to get the latest shiny software, but you will also get a poor result and also zero traffic in return, how you can solve the problem? Finally, is track that this is a new desktop technologies makes SEO and traffic that easy, and you will get guaranteed result. This is also everything is step by step, easy to follow in this all in a one traffic and SEO software. This is software and how to get your SEO to rank in Google page number 1. If you everyone the search engine in Google, if you have some time in some keywords such as self and fitness, health and fitness, you will come up with much more in the first page. If you can place your offer and your website anything in the first page, then this is the possibility most of the people will click on the website. Then you will possibly to make a sales, and also you will get tons of traffic. This is SEO, the power of SEO. But the Google also have to review and also to revise their rule how to control their SEO. So if you want to have evergreen organic traffic in SEO, you will have to take months or years to rank your keyword in Google search. Some of them will use come of the most common format is to use long tail keyword, and also you have to buy a ton of software and takes so much time to create your keyword write article outsources something like that. You will take a ton of time to rank your ranking on Google #1 search ranking. But this is software will tell you how to solve the problem. You will get an uncover red hot profitable keyword. One click generates thousands of high conversion keyword. Instantly SEO optimize your page for massive organic traffic. Truly easy to use with built-in traffic and 24/7 assistance and support. Finally, you will get this software. You will know nothing to buy 10 different courses and tools and trying to get this result. This is also step 1, download and install their desktop app. Step 2, discover how hot keywords that will SEO optimize your site. Step 3, you will get free passive traffic, and also as well as you can get profit from this SEO keyword in the right way. And you will this is also just for $60 and under $70. You will get access to it. It's very awesome because and SEO is a very tough a problem for any affiliate marketer. You have a website. If you want to rank your site in the page #1 on Google ranking, this is also very difficult as they also they will constantly to change their algorithm in Google. So if you want to evergreen and free traffic from SEO, I highly recommend you should grab this also awesome software. So let's take a look what I have. I also have some exclusive bonus for you, and you can grab all my exclusive bonus inside in the description below. The first link is my bonus page. So let's take a look at what is the Undiscovered Video all about. And Discover Video is the future of SEO technology. So you will get the best result. That's the keyword all done for by the Discovered this video. You will get everything with just one click. You will find keywords and find how efficient and profitable they are. This is very simple. You will get untapped profitable keyword. and also you will get traffic and evergreen get to and at least to as 24 hours. This is also pretty awesome. You can try it for it. This is also not very expensive. This is only $70. Also, and I have included some exclusive bonus for you if you grab the this product. Bonus number 1, you will get a video course. Discover how to rank your videos high on YouTube, implementing a few ninja hacks. This is all very awesome. Bonus number 2 is access a set of 10 YouTube cover photo on a variety of niches. If you are not only make money on other, if you are on other niche, self-help, personal development, health and fitness, also cover this hot niches. Bonus number 3 is another WordPress plugin. You will have a website. This is WordPress plugin will help you to enhance your opt-in very fast. This is also use YouTube. Bonus number 4 is a premium plugin. It is creating stunning video preview pages and manage all your affiliate bonus all inside in your WordPress website. As you can see, I used a commission cooler, but this software this is not a very expensive. You can affordable. If you don't want to spend another cost on your review site, this premium plugin will suit you very well because this is a plugin. You don't have to spend any money. You can preview your video review site and also manage your affiliate bonus inside your WordPress website. Bonus number 5 is we will access this web apps. We will turn edit WordPress site into a fully fledged mobile apps. This is also for iOS and Android. This is very awesome. Bonus number 6 is also a video page. Lets you place your 5 buttons, opt-in forms, and even videos on top of your image. Bonus number 7 is logo studio. Create your amazing graphic with the push of a button with hundreds of high-quality stamping. Bonus number 8. You will get access to a link supplement. This is also provide the perfect balance of backlinks to skyrocket to number 1 in Google in less than 7 days. It's a backlink. SEO have many strategy. Backlinks is the most powerful if you want to get more traffic into your website. Backlink is it's a must. You have to implement this strategy when you apply your SEO traffic. Also, don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. When you purchase of them, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the WordPress. This is when you press the blue button, you will get all my exclusive bonus, even if you just purchase the front end offer. When you click this any blue button and also go to this sales page and you will get this blue button, this button add to chart, then you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. And also you and don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus in the bonus page. In the description below, the first link is my bonus page. So let's take a look. So lastly, let's take a look what the upsell. This is only 2 upsell, very few. Some of the product launch will have at least 3 to at least 4, and some of big launch will even have 6 to 7 upsell. But this has only 2. Upsell number 1 is Undisputed video poll. It is $37. You will get number 1 is detailed report for each keyword. Everything you need to know about each keyword you cover. Number 2 is unlimited everything. Discover video let you use unlimited keyword research. Even come with the developer voice. You can use it for your client. This is also if the front end they may have restriction and how many research for your keywords. But this power will unlimited use for their keyword, and also you can do it because SEO is a software. You can also have provided it for your customer, and you then keep 100% commission. If you also to do this for as a service, you can you just start as freelancer. The most common marketplace I know is Fiverr. And you can sell this as a service and charge the client for money, and you keep 100% commission. And also you can search other marketplaces such as freelancer, Upwork. You can also sell this service, and you can search other web on the Google. You will get tons of outsourced website. You can provide this for your client and keep 100% of commission. Option number 2 is the last commission is undisputed video with white label. White label islands to this product undisputed video. This means you can keep 100% commission when you refer that to this website. That is pretty awesome. Just $47. That is no brainer. You will keep 100% commission. What is the benefit of you will get interest in it? You will uncover red hot profitable keyword and how to get your #1 ranking. One click generates thousands of high converting keyword. You will SEO optimize your page for massive traffic, and without having to buy 10 different courses and tools. You will save you much money and also your time. So you will get all my exclusive bonus. All my exclusive included all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit 0. When you press this button and also buy this product, even if the front end, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the WordPress purchase file, and you will get my bonus inside in the blue button. So this is very pretty awesome. I highly recommend you can grab this software. It's just $70. You will get tons of SEO organic traffic. And thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will have more marketing tips, as well as more product to be launched. I will review this in the future. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.